Hello students, the topic of this video is Calcutta University Law Entrance Test 2024 এর জন্য Crash Course Batch 2. I have already told you, form fill-up procedure for the law entrance exam in 2024 has not yet started and it is expected যে জুনের second week কিংবা third week the form fill-up procedure will start and in the July 2024 the entrance exam will be taking place. তাহলে roughly we have exactly 50 days in our hands. মোটামুটি দেখতে গেলে আমাদের হাতে exactly 50 দিন আছে. So this is a golden opportunity for all those students যারা এতদিন ধরে self study করছিলেন কিংবা হয়তো কোথাও guidance নিচ্ছিলেন but you are not very confident with your preparations. You don't know the syllabus very well. এবারে সিলেবাসের মধ্যে থেকে কোন টপিকস আর ভেরি ইম্পর্টেন্ট, কোন জায়গা থেকে কোয়েশ্চেন্স আসে, হোয়াট ইজ দ্য এক্সাক্ট কোয়েশ্চেন প্যাটার্ন, হাউ ডু ইউ নিড টু অ্যালট টাইম, which books to follow is not very well known to you. So I repeat, this is a golden opportunity for you to join the Calcutta University Law Entrance Test 2024 এর Crash Course Batch 2. The classes will be starting off from Thursday 6th of June 2024 and we will be having classes 3 days a week, Tuesday, Thursdays and Saturdays in the evening, and the classes will be conducted in online mode via Google Meet, and I will be sharing the fee structure and the mode of the payment in the WhatsApp group only. So in case you are new to my YouTube channel, যদি তুমি আমার ভিডিওস ফর দ্য ভেরি ফার্স্ট টাইম কিংবা সেকেন্ড টাইম দেখছো, then definitely go to the description box of this video and you will find the WhatsApp group link. Definitely be a part of the WhatsApp group for your benefit, যেখানে I share important current affairs every morning as well as I give updates যে CULT 2024 এর ফর্ম ফিল আপ প্রসিডিওর কখন থেকে স্টার্ট হবে. And lastly, I would once again like to inform you that CULT 2024 এর জন্য একটা নতুন crash course batch, that is crash course batch 2 will start from Thursday 6th of June 2024. If you are very serious about the entrance exam and you are still confused, this is a golden opportunity for you to join the batch, study very hard and crack the entrance exam with flying colors. Thank you. Namaskar.